Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how do you change theme in chess.com. So let's get into the video. Firstly, open up chess.com. Like you can either use your PC if you're using your PC or the app if you're on your phone. So you can use either way because either way like the process is the same. So here I'm using my PC. So what you have to do is once you're on chess.com, when you have launched it and log into your account. So once you've already logged into your account, on your either on your PC or your phone. So what you have to do is just go to your settings here. So hover over on your settings here, and then if you go to settings, you will see underneath called themes. Okay, so you'll see an option called themes. Same with you in your mobile app. If you go to settings, you will be able to see a themes option under settings. So what you have to do now here is you just have to choose any of these. So there's themes here, and you also have the option to turn on or turn off the dark mode. All right, so you can turn that on or turn that off. That's one thing. And then you have all these themes here, so you can just choose whatever theme that you want to. So for example, if I want this one, so click on it, and then that's it, my theme has been changed. So it's pretty easy and straightforward. So that's how you change the theme on chess.com. So hope this video is helpful. I will see you guys in another video. Thank you.